Hello and welcome. This is your friend Harshal Kapoor, and today we are going to talk about how to shift your mindset to get what you want in your life. Tony Robbins once said, "It's in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped." Did you know that an average human being makes about 35,000 decisions every day? And which, of course, includes decisions like what to wear, what to eat for each meal, and decisions like that. Every decision we make is influenced by something. Do you know what that is? Think about it for a moment. Well, let me share it with you. It's our mindset, how we see and how we perceive things. And yet, most people go through life without even realizing that their life is a creation of their own mindset. Let me share a story with you. Sometime towards the end of the 19th century, just when Africa was opening up as a market, a lot of shoe manufacturers in England sent their representatives to Africa for them to go and see if there was any opportunity for the companies to do business over there in Africa. Now, those sales representatives went back to England to their respective companies and they reported, "Nobody in Africa wears shoes, and therefore we do not see it as an opportunity for us to do business in." However, there was just one representative from Bata company who went back and said that nobody in Africa wears shoes. Therefore, I see it as a great opportunity for our company to go over there and do some great business. Guess what? Bata arrived in Africa, and they not just arrived, they started doing such great business that soon after their arrival, they could be found in the remotest of the locations in Africa. People in Africa embraced Bata. They started wearing their footwear. And sure enough, after seeing what Bata did in Africa, other companies started doing business over there as well. But by then, Bata had already made their way into people's hearts. So, what did the Bata sales representative do different from other sales reps? Well, clearly, he saw the opportunity where other sales representatives failed to see the opportunity. And what made the difference over there? Well, of course, the difference was the mindset of this one person than the others. Because the situation was the same for everybody. Nothing changed. African market was the same, people were the same. The only difference was in the mindset of this person. And you know what? This type of mindset is called growth mindset. Yeah, simply put, growth mindset is the one where you don't allow the doubts or you don't allow the fear of failure overwhelm you. You have a vision and you want to go after it. You just put together a plan and take action without worrying about failure, without worrying about what people would say, and without worrying about what would happen. Now, one obvious question you must be thinking in your mind right now is, how can one go about creating this growth mindset? If it can be created, then how do you go about creating one? I have picked up my top 3 ways for developing growth mindset. Let me share it with you. Well, number 1 way would be taking action. Yeah, develop a habit of taking action. Because remember, making a decision alone does not really do anything. You can make the most glorious decision of your life, but if you don't act upon it, the decision will be of no use. And therefore, it is equally important to take a powerful action. Create a plan, come up with a plan. You decide to do something, come up with a plan how you are going to do it. Figure out where you are today, where you want to be, and then figure out how you are going to fill that gap. And then come up with your plan of action and start taking action. And that is where the magic happens. And when you take action, make sure you enjoy the process part of it. Don't worry about the outcome. Don't worry about the success or failure or whether you are going to make a multi-million dollars or multi-billion dollars, whatever it is that you are after. Don't worry about any of that. It's important to enjoy the process. And therefore, just stay focused on your vision, what you are doing, and do the best that you can. Don't worry about the outcome. Now, way number 2, Replace I don't know this with I don't know this yet. So, what I mean to say is that often what ends up happening is that we know we need to do something. We might even enjoy doing that, but then suddenly a thought occurs in our mind that says, forget about it. You don't know this. You don't know how you would go about doing this. Now, this is where you need to make a very small shift. Just instead of saying, I don't know this, just say, I don't know this yet. Because every time you say, I don't know this yet, you are creating a belief in your mind that even though you do not know that particular thing, you can always go and you can learn it. Where you are going to learn is a different story altogether. Elon Musk, the only man on the planet to have founded 3 different billion-dollar companies, founded SpaceX with the mission to colonize on Mars. Do you know how he did that? He did that by reading books and talking to other people who knew about astrophysics and other rocket science related subjects. Remember, every time you say, I don't know this yet, you need to say it with conviction. You need to believe. You need to have that belief that you can learn whatever it is you need to learn. Just like Elon Musk did. We are living in the age of YouTube and Google. There is so much information out there, guys, that if we want to, then we can even go and learn the rocket science if we truly want to. So make use of all that information that has been put out there by different people and use it to your advantage. Way number 3, persistence. Persistence is probably, in my opinion, it's one of the most common traits among those who possess growth mindset and also people who achieve what they want in life. Thomas Edison, the great scientist who invented light bulb, failed about 10,000 times before finding the right formula to make a light bulb. He had a vision and he persisted with it until he invented the light bulb. Remember, success and failure is just a state of mind. There is no such thing as failure, and also there is no such thing as success. These are all just the beliefs we create in our minds. For Thomas Edison, on the way to his 10,000 failures, every time he failed, the word failure must not have even occurred in his mind. He would have just believed that he learned something new, and as a result, he was a step closer to inventing the light bulb. Only because he believed and he persisted was he able to invent the light bulb. Think about it for a moment. Had it not been for Thomas Edison's contribution, who knows, we might still be sitting in the dark. Anytime you hit the mental block and feel like giving up, remind yourself that when you started walking for the very first time, you did not know how to walk either. But that did not mean you gave up on the idea of walking. You did not say, oh, forget about it. Maybe I won't walk. So what? No, you did not. You kept on trying until you learned how to walk. It's because you had the conviction. You did not have a belief that made you think, let's give up. You may now be thinking, okay, so if I have a growth mindset, then that means that all my decisions are going to be right. Well, that's not the point here, guys. In fact, Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, only gets some of his decisions right. He does not get all of his decisions right all the time. And yet, he is one of the richest men in the world. So it's not so much about being right all the time. Here is a golden nugget for you. People with growth mindset know that they don't have to be right all the time. They know that every situation they are faced with is a learning opportunity and presents them with an opportunity to make a difference in what they do. The outcome comes later, after the process. Letting go of the need to be right all the time frees up all of that unnecessary pressure that we put on ourselves. If you feel stuck when getting started, remember this quote from Tony Robbins. It's in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. So go ahead, make a new decision and start taking action and create that mindset which serves you, which gets you what you want. Don't be intimidated or overwhelmed by the thoughts of failure or fear of what will people say, what will happen. Don't worry about any of that. Make a decision and come up with an action plan and do your thing, because you are the best version of yourself when you are yourself. And guys, finally, I hope you loved this video as much as I love bringing this to you. If you think you benefited from watching this video, then please click on the subscribe button down there, because every week we bring a new video just for you. Also, if you like the video, then please click on the like button so that we know you found this video useful.